welcome to our YouTube channel. We are back with one more exciting piece of news from the world of famous social app, Snapchat. This social platform is known for its creative chatting and photography features. Going with the same trend, Snapchat announces its web version of the app. Exciting, right? So without any further ado, let's see what the new initiative is all about. So Snapchat has finally announced its web version. This web version will allow users to make video calls and send messages straight from their desktop PCs. Yes, you heard that right. Although initially it will be only accessible to Snapchat Plus subscribers and in specific parts. Using the web Snapchat will be an easy affair. According to Snapchat, users just have to open their laptops and head to web.snapchat.com using Chrome to start a call or pick up where chats left off on mobile. They also said that with more than 100 million Snapchatters using their voice and video calling each month on average, they're excited to offer a new way for the Snapchat community to keep conversations going on their computers, where users are already working, learning and browsing. Well, the working part is likely a significant motivator here. With so many people working from home in the rise of pandemic, Snapchat probably witnesses more opportunities to increase its connections by forming a separate web app. Now let's talk a bit about its similarities and disparities with the app version. So, the new web interface will include various options including chat reactions and chat reply. Also, this initiative will help to understand the usage behaviors in the app. Like the regular functioning of the app, your snaps will vanish after 24 hours with web views counting just the same as an app opens of a text message. Snap will also add lenses into the format as it looks to boost more functionality. As we have already mentioned, it could be an exciting and engaging way to boost Snap usage. However, it's only accessible in a limited form delivering Snapchat Plus subscribers in the US, UK and Canada. Snapchat Plus, which Snap just launched a while ago, is its Twitter Blue-like subscriber option, which offers user access to a variety of new tools and in-development features for $3.99 a month. Considerably like Twitter Blue, most of those are not very impressive. But if Snap adds more features like this to its subscription offering, that could make it more compelling proposition. Either way, Snapchat on the web will ultimately be open to all users. At the same time, those in Australia and New Zealand will be able to function this option soon through this link. Also, as of now, it's only available through Chrome, but Snap is also looking to add permission for more web browsers, eventually fostering ample opportunities to engage with friends through Snap. So that's all we have today. We'll be back with another bang on news and updates. Till then, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep yourself updated with more such news from the digital landscape. Thank you.